Hello students, let's talk about plasma membrane models. So firstly I will discuss Sandwich model. It is given by Dansen and Devson. It was given by Dansen and Devson. According to them, the plasma membrane is made of proteins and phospholipids. According to them, proteins are alpha globulin. Phospholipid molecules are एम्फेफेटिक. एम्फेफेटिक का मीनिंग क्या है? एम्फेफेटिक का मीनिंग है जो फॉस्फोलिपिड है उसका एक एन, वन एन विल बी हाइड्रोफिलिक एंड अदर एन विल बी हाइड्रोफोबिक. So let's take example. It is an phospholipid, right? It is the glycerol. It is the one N is hydrophilic. So it is the phosphate group, it is hydrophilic, and other end fatty acid chain, it will be hydrophobic. So phospholipids are diglycerol fat and phosphate is attached to it. Phospholipids are arranged in a bilayer in such a manner that tail of the molecule face each other, and the force in which phospholipids are intact together, they are van der Waal forces. Proteins will be arranged in each side of the phospholipid membrane. So, according to them, I will draw the diagram. So, let's take a look. So, this is the Sandwich model according to Dansen and Devson. So, it is phospholipids. Here, there are phospholipids. There are also phospholipids, and we can see this is the fatty acid chain, right? There are the fatty acid chain. As they describe, there is a sandwich model. So like bread, in a sandwich, one bread in top, one bread in down, and here a greenish substance are kept, and that is in here. It acts as their proteins are act as bread, and here we can see that alpha globule protein, and they are arranged as bread, and these are the substance between the sandwich. So in this way they are arranged. So if we take example that fat molecule can pass through it, so let's see it. If fat molecule can pass through the plasma membrane. So, as we know that fat molecule, it is a protein, it will pass through it, and again, head part is hydrophilic, so water lover, so it will pass through it. Then it will pass through it. Then we can see it that fat molecule can easily pass through the plasma membrane. So let's take an example. Can water molecule pass through it? So water molecule firstly will go through it. Then we see that is this end is hydrophilic, so it will pass through it. Then this is fatty acid and it is hydrophobic, so it cannot pass through it. Here, this substance, as we see, this is hydrophobic, right? Fatty acid N are hydrophobic, and this N is hydrophilic. It is hydrophilic, and this N is hydrophobic. So weak force, as I mentioned earlier, there is weak force in the lipid membrane. It is van der Waal forces. So water molecule cannot pass through it. If I consider then in properties I have already mentioned that phospholipid and protein variable ratio. Let's take an example. They are phospholipid 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is phospholipids. Here I written 6 phospholipids, and protein 26. I have count there and written there. But there are not the variable ratio. So it is reject on first hypothesis. Second hypothesis, as we mentioned earlier, fat molecule can pass through it, but water molecule cannot pass through it. So reject. So we reject. and they mention that they are arranged like that. So it is an static nature. But as I mentioned earlier in properties of plasma membrane, the plasma membrane nature is dynamic. But in this model, sandwich model, it is mentioned that this model is not dynamic. It is the static model. So it is also rejected. So this sandwich model by Denzel and Debson is rejected. And next class I will move to unit model of plasma membrane. So hope you understood. Please go through it and let me know. Thank you.